fucking jump.
Alright guys, welcome back to the Ozone, everybody. Give you guys a little bit of box action. You guys already know what these are. If you know what this box is, to get you guys a little bit of light action. Adjust this camera a little bit. This box action up in here. That shit. This box reads the Air Jordan 2 Retro Special Edition, Gray Fog and Siren Red, aka the Jordan 2 Union's Gray Foggers. I have every pair of Jordan 2s that are coming out this year. Get you guys a little bit of the box. Like I said, the Jordan 2 is back. It's coming back with the Fury. See Flight and Union in the box, both of their logos. Both for Jordan and the Union logos in the box. Get the shoe up here, bang! Get you guys a little bit of move back action. Not a bad shoe in my opinion. I'm really happy with this shoe. This is one of the best Jordan 2s that came out recently. Either this one or the Alma Miniere. We're looking at the other one from the Red House pretty soon, or the Red Castle. I have that one as well, so we're going to just run through the 2s. I didn't really like the 2s that came out the other day, but I got them just so we can have them on here. Everybody can enjoy them. Like I said, I move this camera back. This is a big boy. Materials on this shoe seem to be pretty okay. Lots of holes. Like I said, I'm not really a Jordan 2 fan, but since they're coming back, I said I had to have some, so it's not a big empty space inside my sneaker case where the 2 is supposed to be at. That's all around good shoe in my opinion, guys. If you haven't picked up any Jordan 2s or you're going to pick up some Jordan 2s, this one kind of looks like it's kind of filthy even though it's brand new. I guess that's the vintage look. Classic Jordan 2 bottom, nothing special. The Jordan 2s have one of the worst bottoms in my opinion for basketball play. Very slippery, very smooth. Front of the shoe has suede onto like a denim or canvas material. Back to suede again. Nice off-white or sail shoelaces are in the shoe. You can see the deconstructed upper, yellow insole. Side of the shoe, you see the Union LA tag. Shoe doesn't have a Jordan logo or a Nike logo, but it's got all these dots. Then up here you can see like a Union pants label tag. They put it on the shoe. It says HO21. It's okay, Jordan. I don't know if I show you got the Jumpman on the tongue. Little off-white sail tongue. Suede on the back. Has a little bit of rubbing on mine. Seems like it's nappy suede on the back. This side of the shoe is basically the same as the other. Instead of putting a pants tag on, they just have dots at the top with dots on the bottom. Not bad shoe. Bottom is okay. Alright guys, I'm going to give you guys a look at what the shoe is going to look like when it's going to be on your foot. You know what you think about the return of the Jordan 2s. Like I said, are you guys buying them? Let me know what shoes you guys want to see on the channel next. Let me know what shoes you are buying. Everybody stay safe. Have a nice day. 2s are back.
Everybody fucking jump.